So I'm gonna get it turned on here. Just gonna put one side in. I think that's the wrong side. Wait. What the hell? Oh, it's supposed to go in like that. So that's different from the black ones. There's actually like a stick that's coming up like that, and you need to actually like get it in there. So yeah, it's different from the black ones, because the black ones are just like the magnetic snap-on, but apparently this one's not. So all right, let's try them on. So that's how it looks like in my ear. I'm gonna try and pair these with my phone here. Okay, so Bluetooth on. I'm gonna just read the manual to see how it works. I'm just gonna take that back out and like put it back in the case. So just like that. I'm gonna put that down here, and I'm gonna look for the manual. So here's the manual. Whoa, this dude must have like a big hand or like really small AirPods, but like that's tiny. He's going like that. Here's the charging cable that comes with it. So this is the manual. Let's see how to pair it. Okay. Right, so I'm just reading all these. Alright, how do I pair it? Oh, okay. So what we need to do is we need to look for TW2 on your phone. So yeah, just go to Bluetooth and then other devices. You take this out of the box. Okay. Oh, TW2. Okay, let's see. I think that's connected. Let's try and play something. Alright, so in my photos I have like an album of music for offline, and I can just put something on. Yep, it works. I just need to charge this side because that wasn't like responding before. Alright, so I'm just going to keep it charged. Alright, so, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so, congratulations on your new gentek True Wireless AirPods. We want you to love your gentek True Wireless. Okay. Questions? We're all ears and thumbs for tech support. Designed and engineered in the Big Apple. I'm not sure what that means, but let's open it up. Oh, okay. I thought they were going to be in the case, but this feels exactly like the black ones. So this is the case. Open it. Yeah, it looks exactly like the black one, but you can see more of the lines and stuff on it, because the black one, like, oh, so it's already charged a little. Because of the black one, you can't really see all the concave and like the lines here. But now you can with this case. Oh, what did it say on the bottom? That's all it says on the bottom. So that's the power button to charge. So there's nothing more to it than to unbox it right now. So I'm just gonna unbox it. Oh, okay. That's satisfying. This should be like an ASMR video. I'm gonna put that down. Alright, so this is the box. It's like it's like a cardboard box. And it has some plastic overlay on the little sticker piece. I don't know what you'd call that, but yeah. So it has a Bluetooth sticker on it. Now we're gonna open it up. If my voice sounds weird, it's because I'm sort of sick and I have a blocked nose. So I'm sure it sounds really weird. So I'm just gonna try and pop it out of the case. So I wanted the white because it pops more and it looks way better. And this is the same brand. It's the Gentek TW2. It has 10 hours playtime and all these things. Yeah, so it's I've explained it in my other video, but yeah, so you're supposed to connect these with Bluetooth, and yeah. Hey guys, so welcome back to another video first of all, and then second of all, I have another pair of these wireless earphones, and first one that I got was black, and I didn't really like the black color. I wanted the white one, but they were sold out, so I got the black one.